So, bro, welcome to Skydive Dubai. How are you today?
How you doing? Pretty good, thanks.
So far, so good?
Oh yeah, having a great time and excited to do this now. So.
Excited, the first time?
First time skydiving,
Awesome.
yeah.
A bit scared, a bit scared?
A little bit, but excited to do it, so it won't be a problem.
Ready to rock?
No, not yet.
Oh. So, brother, what about the briefing? Did you understand everything?
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Briefing was good? Everything clear?
Good, yep, excited, good to go. So
Good to go, brother.
Yeah.
Okay. Any last word before we go? Anything to say before we go?
Ready to travel and jump out of a plane, so.
Awesome. So, let's do it.
Let's go.
Boom. Ciao, ciao. Great.
The music is bringing little flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart's so full. I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
Welcome back, bro!
That was so amazing.
Did you have fun?
Oh, that was great. Oh,
pretty
my
nice,
God.
huh?
Most amazing thing I've done in a while.
So what do you think? Are you gonna jump again?
I would love to.
Awesome,
would love
bro.
to do it again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you next time, Skydive
Appreciate
Dubai. Bye bye.